All right, today we are on the final video in the Riff series. We are going to be learning the Riff turn. If you haven't yet learned the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 count riffs, make sure to check out those videos as well. But let's have fun with the Riff turn. Okay, the Riff turn is actually really simple. You're gonna start out with a 3 count riff. We learned that. And then you're just going to finish out the turn with a rhythm turn. So you're going to finish it out by doing spank, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. So a little bit faster, we do 3 count riff, 3 count riff, spank, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. So to the front, that looks like 3 count riff, spank, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. The counts are and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's try it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And to the left we have and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One last time to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Great job on the Riff series, you guys. You guys have done an awesome job, and I look forward to teaching you another series soon. Have a great day.